Odd and Even Socks by Melanie Krismer. Sorting socks is fun. Sometimes one sock is left over. That means there is an odd number of socks. Odd numbers, even numbers. There are two kinds of numbers. There are odd numbers and even numbers. All numbers are either odd or even. What makes a number odd or even? Even numbers can be split into equal whole parts. Odd numbers cannot. One sock cannot be split into whole parts. One is odd. Two socks are called a pair. It takes two equal parts to make a pair. Split the pair apart, and you have two equal socks, and none left over. 2 is even. A number that can be split into equal parts with none left over is even. A number that has one left over after you split it is odd. 3 socks can be split, but a sock is left over. 3 is odd. 4 socks can be split equally, with none left over. 4 is even. 5 socks can be split, but a sock is left over. 5 is odd. 6 socks can be split into 2 groups of 3, with none left over. 6 is even. 7 socks can be split, but a sock is left over. 7 is odd. 8 socks can be split, with none left over. 8 is even. 9 socks can be split, but a sock is left over. 9 is odd. 0 is different. It does not follow the rule for odd and even numbers. If you have 0 socks, you cannot split them. In a number line, every other number is odd or even. 0 is found next to the number 1. 1 is odd, so 0 is called an even number. If you know the odd and even numbers from 0 to 9, you know them all. The digit that a number ends in tells you if that number is odd or even. 5 is odd. 15 and any number that ends in 5 is odd. 8 is even. 28 and any number that ends in 8 is even. 0 is even. 100 and any number that ends in 0 is even. Words you know. Even. Number line. Odd. Pair. Socks. Sorting.